Now it's time to create a new BookWidget quiz. Just go to this button, Create New Widget, and choose your widget type. For the purpose of this demo, I will show you how to create a quick quiz. So you will go here, you have the questions. You can name the quiz as demo quiz. Okay, so I'm going to add a question. I can choose from all these different types of quizzes. I'm going to choose an annotate picture. The question will be to name the Malaysian states. Okay. I'm gonna have to select a picture. I can choose an image from my Drive or import from Google Drive, find online. Just going to choose an image that I've just downloaded earlier. That's my blank Malaysian map. I am going to add input file, the first one. I'm going to select the position. So that's the first one is Sabah. Just adjust the, I think it should be all right. That's Sabah. Yes. And the correct answer, Sabah. Okay. I'm going to add another state. Click on that. Just move it to Sarawak here. Now you see that the first marker, which was Sabah, is gone now, but don't worry, it's still there. So in the preview, you will see it again. So I'm just dragging this to look better, hopefully. Okay, that's done for Sarawak. And the correct answer is Sarawak. Just to make it better, yeah. And maybe another one. Same thing, I'm just dragging it to, hopefully it's in Malacca. Yes, move it here. I think here should be all right. Okay, drag it there. I think that's fine. That's okay. That's correct answer is Malacca. Yes, Malacca. Okay, 3 is enough. See how it looks like. And okay, Sabah, Sarawak, and Malacca. I'm going to add another question. Another question is, let's see, I think I want to do a match, word and picture match. Yes. The question is match the state to its correct landmark, for example. Okay, so I'll click on add. The text will be Sabah, and the image will be, again, I think, Mount Kinabalu. Yes. I'm going to, okay, I'm going to add another one. The text is Sarawak, and the image is Mulu Cave. My Mulu Cave here. And maybe last one will be Malacca. An image of Malacca City. Formosa, let's say. Okay, and I think that's the matching. I'll go back to the question, check everything, and okay, I can preview first. How does it look like as a student? The preview, this is the student view. So this is the question, you can answer. So, okay, it looks fine. I'm not gonna answer all this. Have a look. It should be okay. Okay, go on to the title. You can write as demo quiz 2. General correction option. You can show correct answers when quiz is done. It's up to you. And what else? Okay, scoring options. You can show points to associated with each question. And if you want that, if you don't want to show, that's fine. All this answer key and what else? Okay, localization that's fine, that's fine. Okay, now when you're happy with your quiz, you can share it. Click on share. Okay, you can send the quiz to your Google Classroom. Select the course. Okay, you can add instructions if you want to and due date. You can send it right away to Google Classroom, or if you want to schedule it, you can save draft and then edit it later. But for this purpose of this demo, I'm going to send it to Google Classroom now, and you will see from a point of view of the student. Okay, I think that's already sent. I'm going to my student account to show you how it looks like. So yeah, there it is. Or you can go to classwork and you can see the demo quiz and the link here. Just click on the link. So I must be signed into my student account in order for me to access the book widget. And now I'm on BookWidget. As a student, I can answer the question. This is Malacca. This is Sabah. This is Sarawak. The next question. Sabah is Mount Kinabalu. Sarawak here. Malacca is here. And I'm done. I can submit and then just click send as a student, and the teacher will be able to see my answer from a Google Classroom environment. So I'm going back to my teacher's account. Let's click that. Let me see if someone has done it. So demo quiz 2. Oh, someone has turned in. So I am a teacher. I can see the attachment. I'll just click on that. I will be able to see the work submitted by my student with all the marks. So, oh, perfect. She got it all correct. Okay, and I can see correct answer. I can see all the submission by the students. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.